What's going on, people? In today's video I'll be explaining why I feel 4K 50 is much better than 4K 60, and for me they are very much similar in terms of frame rate. The look that you get, you both get the buttery smooth. However, when you are filming inside or filming around cars that have LED lights, which if you're in a country like I am, the UK, millions of LED lights everywhere, you notice that in your footage you get this flickering, constant flickering in your footage. Now the trick that I found is filming in 4K 50 at 100 with a shutter speed of 100 I find I don't get no flickering, and the reason why that is because the UK lighting is calibrated to 50 megahertz. So if you do find that in most of your footage the LED starts to flicker like sirens or police lights or strobe lights, try filming at 4K 50 and see if that improves your footage. However, you still will get that smooth buttery footage, and the benefit is most of us, YouTube, TikTok, whatever you're using, most of us, we post our stuff at 4K 24 if it's cinematic filmic style. Most of the stuff, if it's a vlog or YouTube style, 4K 30 is enough. So if you're shooting at over 4K 30, that's just gonna cut out the choppiness in your footage. It's gonna be smooth altogether. Anything above 4K 30 will be smooth. So just a tip, if you're filming in indoor places or if you're filming around LED lighting, 4K 50 is much better than 4K 60 as it prevents the lighting.